his legacy will live on with tonight's fireworks. And what a fireworks it is, the best we've had yet. Maybe we can start a chant. Fireworks, fireworks.
Fireworks, fireworks.
Come on, louder.
Fireworks.
Seconds away from the fireworks. Surely you're going to see a little flare in the middle there. It's going to tell you what direction the smoke is going to go. Also, if you have any photosensitivities, a heads up, there's a lot of flashing. But that flare is going to go up and show you the direction of the smoke. If you want to move out of the way of the smoke, you can. And small debris. But, oh, there it is. All right. So that is the way the smoke is going. You can see it there. You can move out of the way of that if you like. Otherwise, settle in for the fireworks. Seconds away.
It will miss you a little bit of it. You're like, let's get a show on the road.
I'm done.
I feel it.
Royal Show Radio. Hello, Perth. This is Royal Show Radio, where the spirit of the country meets the heartbeat of the city. We've got one of the most spectacular fireworks displays in the country lined up for you tonight. And trust us, you do not want to miss a single second of it. But first, we've got just one question for you. Are you ready? Come on, Perth. We know you can do better than that. Are you ready? More like it. This year, we're doing something a little bit different. For the first time ever, you're helping us shape the soundtrack to the fireworks. Your songs, your stories, your memories. This is your moment. Let's light up the sky together. Okay, let's start the countdown. Nice and loud, all together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm good.
Cheska, where are you tonight?
I'm inside Show Alley, right at the top of the Ferris wheel. I can see the whole showground from up here.
Living the high life, literally. What song are we adding to the playlist from up there?
It has to be Defying Gravity. I'm already up here in the clouds.
I love it. Perth, turn your eyes to the sky, because this next track is going to lift you right out of your seats.
Be our guest, put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot dog dove, why we only live to serve. Try the grey stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me, ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance. After all, miss, this is France. And a dinner here is never second best. Go on, unfold your menu. Take a glass and then you'll be our guest. We are guest, be our guest. Beef ragout, cheese soufflé, pie and pudding, old flambé. We'll prepare and serve with flair a culinary cabaret. You're alone and you're scared, but the banquet's all prepared. No one's gloomy or complaining while the flatware's entertaining. We tell jokes, idle drinks with my fellow candlesticks. And it's all including taste that you can make. Come on and lift your glass. You won your own free pass to be our guest. If you're stressed, it's fine dining we suggest. Be our guest, be our guest, be our guest. Show. What a view! Let's take another request. Who's on the line?
Hi, it's Jess from the wheatbelt town of Wagen. I'm working through the night in the paddock on the tractor under the stars.
That is some dedication. From the showgrounds to the wheatbelt, WA is celebrating together tonight. So what track are we playing for you tonight, Jess?
It's got to be Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Something to keep the wheels turning and the vibe rolling out here.
Perfect choice. Well, this one's for you, Jess, and everyone working hard under the wheat belt sky tonight.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm.
We have someone very special on the line now. Premier Roger Cook, is that you?
G'day. How great are the fireworks to end a big day at the Royal Show? I have to say, watching them always takes me back to the 80s.
Love it. So, Premier, you got a song request for us?
Yeah, look, I do. I'd love to hear In Excess, Don't Change a Thing. That song was massive when I was a teenager coming to the show. It feels like the perfect track for tonight. A bit of nostalgia and a reminder of how some things, like the amazing fireworks at the Perth Royal Show, never change.
Love that. Premier Cook calling in a classic In Excess anthem for the fireworks. Doesn't get more Perth than that. All right, Perth, let's light up the sky. Here's Don't Change by In Excess for everyone making memories of the Royal Show tonight.